Oh, one by one.
Is this like sparklers, or this shoots up and does?
Not.
Not shooting. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Don't move.
Be careful, you are. Be careful,
Yes, be careful.
I have to remove this thing or? これを出す。これを出す。
ここに引くから。
あ、ここができて。
ここに引く。
Everybody one more.
Yeah.
これどこに置こうか。ここでいいのかな。
Whoa.
Everybody continue. No, down,
This
down,
way.
down.
Down. Okay. No, up.
Down.
Down. Okay. Oh, they're very short-lived.
千尋。DV。
最近ラファエルが DV するひでみさん。チクってやった。それはいけない。
Watering cans come out just in case. I like the way they have those red fire buckets outside the houses here.
Yeah.
No more, don't up, don't up.
Down, no up.
Down, down.
え、何これ。
Yeah. Ooh. Get the fire extinguisher quickly.
いいんですかこれ。
入れちゃっていいの？後でまたちゃんとするしいいよ。
あ、inside.
I
I think the half of this is still.
It's still good.
Yeah.
Do they still do Guy Fawkes night in England?
Yeah.
Yeah, when I was a kid growing up, we used to do it. And
Oh, really?
I remember one day, the day after, we'd had the big bonfire. Which, holding down the bottom or at the top? This one. Okay. And my brother melted the soles off his school shoes the next day, going through the ashes, looking for the ones that hadn't, burnt properly.
Everybody, everybody, everybody.
All together.
Don't touch candle, don't touch candle.
Keep down.
Keep down, yes, keep down.
Down,
I want to see Raphael running down the street screaming again.
I think with this hit you will.
大丈夫、もう消えないよ。出たー。
Oh! Is that the traditional Japanese way, Aki? Going on YouTube, you know this one. Oh, it's very small.
消えちゃった。あー、消えた。まだついたついた。
これじゃない。
それで合ってるよ。
あ、それこれ。
それで合ってるよ。
It's a bit dark. You can't see very much. Nobody will be compromised on this YouTube video. Here he goes, look out. Down the street. All the neighbours will be looking out from their curtains.
Dance now.
まだ炊いてないの？
No.
じゃあ弁当。
I think they stopped it in Australia because too many people got burnt.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember the